Good afternoon. My name is Xiaohong. I'm a head of innovation at Boston LAAI. Our company is located in Edison, New Jersey. It's founded by Dr. Ron Lu. Dr. Ron Lu graduated from University of Iowa. He is author of Water Insoluble Drug Formulation, and he is also an inventor of FDA-approved NDA Lipton product. Days ago, we attend API meeting, American Psychology Association, president of LAAI pipeline to the society because he is busy. So he sent me to present our work in the HIV area. So how to move to the next? Okay, this one.
The remote. You find the remote?
Oh, more control. Okay, sorry. This one, right? Okay. So, thank you. I'm going to skip these slides. So, background of information. And today, I think I learn a lot of. I'm a formulator. I'm working on the product development area. I learn not in today. I have better knowledge in terms of clinical perspective and pharmacology perspective, especially the virus resistant. For the challenge, as we know, for the HIV therapeutic area is suboptimal adherence, adverse events, and virus resistant. So to develop ultra-long formulation is very important. Here, I'm going to present our Bictegravir ultra-long injectable formulation, which conducted in the rats. We have communicated with FDA, and FDA agree with our pre-ND package programs. So we just follow the program. We have evaluated two formulations. One formulation is micro nanoparticle approach, and is intramuscular injection. And the second formulation is use our proprietary technology, and it is subcutaneous administration. The dosing is 240 milligram per kg. Each group is include 6 rats. Currently, we have 264 days data, and by May 28, we will have 10 months data. We will continue monitor this plasma concentration of Bictegravir. So this slide shows the Bictegravir peak profile after days. As we can see, at day 1, the Bictegravir concentration is quickly reached to the effective level, which is above 4 times PAIC level. And then after he reached the peak time at the 1 month or 2 months, they started gradually reduce. At 4 months and 6 months, this become stable. But at that range, they still above the 4 times PAIC level. At 6 months, and they start to go up. During this phase, these two formulations have different characteristics. For the formulation which use our technology, the Bictegravir plasma concentrations started to gradually increase. Where use the micro nanoparticle approach, they just continue decrease. Because we receive this very encouraging data, the data on the Bictegravir is a great help us on the other programs, the Bictegravir program. And this slide compare the two compounds, because from product development standpoint, the physical chemical properties and the PK properties are very important to us. These two compound in terms of the chemical structure is very similar. And we also measure solubility at a different solvent, and is include our patent. And I'm not going to share with here. And the permeability, these two compounds have similar property. And other things, the half-life of the bacterial, and I think is like comparable with bacterial. So the information we gather from the bacterial is going to greatly help us on the bacterial program. And we also, in the meanwhile, we also work on the reappealing. And since we have worked on the more than 30 compounds, and we develop by indicated dissolution method. So guiding our formulation development. There are two variants is going to move to the next step. The one variant, these two variants have different release profile. One variant is can quickly go up, then gradually slow down, and a larger one is kind of gradually speed up and then at the later phase and the slow release. So these two kinds of the formulation have completely different release profile. We expect they will have different peak profile. The reason for that is the Bictegravir and bictegravir have very high safety margin based on the information from we study on the Bictegravir and gain it on the bictegravir. And the J&J have conducted a tox study on the reappearing. They found that if Cmax is high, they have some side effect, and the Q elongation will be longer. So for this compound, we have to have no Cmax and Trump ratio. This is why we purposely design two different formulations. So I'm going to back to the summary. The summary is based on the information we get. Yes, I need to go up. Can you move to the summary? Go. Yes. The conclusion is for the formulation 2, which use our proprietary formulation, is can demonstrate once or 6 months administration, and we continue to monitor. And based on the preclinical peak modeling, and we estimate the dose can be reduced. Because by utilize the 4 PAC the criteria, we don't have to be hugely high at the beginning. We can reduce the amount at the initial phase and leave the drug for the later phase. This is our approach, so to achieve lower drug loading, but still can have the extended duration. And also, it's demonstrated this approach can have can work on some narrow therapeutic drugs. And we know for some antivirus drug, it is very potency, but in other words, maybe it have some side effect if the Cmax is too high. So we have to maintain stable level. So use our approach have a potential to deliver the drug for a longer period, and also the peak Trump ratio will be lower. So this is end of my presentation. Thank you.